I'm here in Home Builders because I'm looking for panel board for my electric connection in the storeroom building. So one of our the best brand that so called for electric breaker is Coten. So I'm looking for a Coten like two, the three. This is, look at this two there. That's 1,310, and this is the three that OB is looking for. OB. That's the tree with bolted breaker, which is what he prefers than the clip-on. So this is 2,549, and this is the clip-on is 2,461, but this is more. So I have a look, and this one here, 760 for this one. There, 760. We also got this like plastic panel board. 11,106. And this one is 850. What brand is this? It's plastic, but this one is metal. Got two there. It's 470. This one here, that's 588.75. But that's 6 sliding. So now you can see what's available here, and before it's not even less than this that I have to import. That one's America. The brand's America 933, but it's so many clip on board. This is America is the brand. Plug-in breaker panel. This is also America. This is 797. Plug-in. That's also plug-in. This is 735. And this is also plug-in. Because Oldie will prefer the bolted one. So the Coten will be the one I'll be buying because it's bolted. So these are the panel board choices you have here in the Philippines. We got a plastic one here from Coten. There, 1,013. This one, Ever panel board type breaker. That's 1,758. That's 1,113. So these are the panel board pricing for your electric. So this is the circuit breaker prices. The best brand that we have here is Coten. So you have two kinds of breakers. You get plug-in and bolt-in. So there's the pricing. But I want the bolt-in type, not the plug-in. So I need two 15 amps and one 30 amps going in for powering, because that will be only lights and ironing that's gonna be happening there, or this is 100 amps to P500 875. This is 100 amps is 1,012. And then that's the 70 amps, 60 amps. I need 30 amps. That's 30 amp circuit breaker, 30. But in bolt in. This one is already got a enclosure, plastic enclosure and transparent cover. So I need a panel like that. And then two 15 amps and 300 amps for the top, for the power in. So I'm letting him look for that panel board that I want. So if I don't have any type of the bolt in, I will just do it by plug-ins, I suppose. So this is the brands of the breakers that's available here in the Philippines. You gotta be familiar with it. That's Royo. You got Omni and Koten. Koten is the one of the best. So you can see the different prices there. 2P, bolt on, and plug-in. So there's two types of breaker, plug-ins and bolt-on. So the 20 amperes, 603, 30 amperes, that's GE, General Electric. But the best brand is Koten, 30 amperes, 279. This is the bolt-on ones, 60 amps, 279. Then the higher voltage, 40 amps, 50 amps, 550. So all in all, you'll be limited. At least now they have more. You'll be limited to your electrical supply. If you're doing it yourself, like I do, I always do it myself. Olby does all my electrics in all my houses. So I know it's safe with all the ground wires and all that.